The Internal Factor Evaluation Matrix. The Internal Factor Evaluation Matrix examines the internal environment to find the biggest strengths and weaknesses of a company. Each strength and weakness is then given a score from 1 to 4, 1 and 2 being weaknesses and 3 and 4 being strengths. Each of these strengths is then given a weight from 0 to 1. The higher, the more important it is to the company. This can be used to determine what the company does well and what they are lacking. When looking at the IFE matrix from earlier, we were able to identify the main external factors, the opportunities and threats, and how the firm handles this. After doing the internal factor evaluation matrix, we will be able to identify the company's biggest strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, and how the company can change going forward and what they've been doing well. At the strengths on the matrix, we ranked brand reputation as 4, a major strength, with a 0.19 weight. This is due to Delta's exceptional customer service and operational reliability that customers have come to know throughout the years. Next is route strategies, which has a major strength of a 4 and a 0.12 weight. Delta has over 300 destinations worldwide with contacting over 50 countries. That's not even including the many destinations they have with alliances. Moving on to alliances, that we have as a minor strength with a 0.083 weight. With all the alliances they have globally, they are able to build their brand with airlines such as Korean Airlines. This gives them more than 600 destinations globally. Next is their return on assets. They have been towards the top in recent years and consistently have a good return on their assets. This has the potential to draw in investors. This we gave a minor strength with a 0.08 weight. Next is technology, which is a major strength, where they have been making advances on their mobile app as well as creating free messaging and working on technology to make all airports contactless. Moving on to the weaknesses, the first weakness we have is the reliance on the North American market. Over 80% of their market is currently in North America. This is a problem because if there was ever a problem in the market of North America, this would be detrimental to Delta as a whole. This is why it is a major weakness at 1 with a 0.128 weight. Issues with suppliers is rated as another major weakness. In recent years, there have been problems with Airbus and Boeing produced planes. These are the only 2 suppliers that Delta goes through, so this could be a major issue going forward. Their debt to equity ratio is lower than it has been in the last 3 years. This is a minor weakness though, because many other airlines are going through the same issues because of COVID. Their pricing in tickets is ranked as a minor weakness. This is a minor weakness because while Delta's prices are a little more expensive, they are known for their essence of luxury. Rebuilding after COVID is another minor weakness. This is also ranked as a minor weakness due to the fact that other airlines are suffering from the same issues right now. However, they did incur a lot of debt and lost a lot of revenue that they're going to need to make up for and come up with a strategy in order to make up for this. The 3 highest we found on the IFE matrix were their brand reputation, route strategies, and alliances. Looking at the IFE matrix helped us to determine the primary strengths and weaknesses of the company and where the company needs to look to improve.